Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
I welcome you all in Standard 5 English class. Children, as you know, in last session we have done this activity talking about things part 2, which is on page number 12. But in last session we have done activity number 1. In today's session we are going to do activity number 2, which is on page number 12. So open your book and come on page number 12. Let's read what this activity is. So, look at the pictures and frame at least 3 sentences for each of these words. See, children, if you have your book in front of you, you can see there are some pictures. There are 4 pictures in activity number 2. So, what is the activity? We have to look at the pictures and we have to frame. Means we have to make at least 3, means minimum 3 sentences for each of these words. There are some words in that activity which we have learnt in last session. You know the meanings of all these words. So, now let's read these words. So we will read these words one by one. In, on, under, near, in front of, and behind. See, in last session, we have seen the meanings of all these words with the examples of mouse pictures, isn't it? So now you know the meaning of all these words, and now we have to frame the sentences, minimum 3 sentences, using those pictures which are given on us page number 12. So I'll show you some, then rest of the things you will do. आपण मागच्या भागामध्ये हे शब्द शिकलो आहोत. या शब्दांचे अर्थ तुम्हाला आता कळलेले आहेत आणि आज आपल्याला या प्रत्येक शब्दापासून कमीत कमी 3 वाक्य बनवायचे. ओके, आणि त्यामुळे आपल्याला आता हे चित्र पाहून हे शब्द योग्य ठिकाणी कसे घालता येतील हे मी तुम्हाला काही उदाहरणांमधून दाखवणार आहे आणि बाकीचे तुम्ही बनवायचे. सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ द ऍक्टिव्हिटी. So here are the words: in, on, under, near, in front of, and behind. So let's choose the first picture. You can see a lady is sitting with a basket of apples under an umbrella, and there is a big pumpkin you can see there. And now we will see how to frame the sentences. So we will choose first word in, and we will see how to fit this word in the sentence. Let's frame the sentence. You can see apples in the basket. So how we will frame the sentence? The apples are in the basket. The apples are in the basket. In this way, we will choose the picture, we will look at the picture carefully, then we will choose one word, and we will see where that word fits in the sentence or how can we frame the sentence. So let's see next sentence. See here, in, same word. There are apples in the basket. First sentence, the apples are in the basket, and this other way of making the sentence, there are apples in the basket. तुम्ही दोन्ही प्रकारे वाक्य तयार करायची प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. ओके, so We will frame some more sentences with the same picture. We will choose one more word. Now see, where is the pumpkin? Is it in the basket? No. Then where it is? It is near the basket. Okay. So how to frame the sentence? There is a pumpkin near the basket. There is pumpkin near the basket. Or with the same word near, the pumpkin is near the basket. Either there is a pumpkin near the basket or the pumpkin is near the basket. I'm showing you to frame the sentence with both the ways. You watch this video very carefully. If you want to learn it for more times, pause the video and listen it again. Read the sentence so that you will understand it better. Next sentence, we are using the same word stripes again and again. Same picture. See how many sentences we have framed with the same picture. एका चित्रामधून आपण केवढी वाक्य बनवली आहेत बघा. Now we will opt for the next word, under. Under. Now see, where can we use this word and how? The lady is sitting under the umbrella. You can say it's a rainy season, so she must have taken the umbrella on her head. So we can write in this way, the lady is sitting under the umbrella. Okay? Let's go to the next picture. There are four pictures. I'll show you to frame sentences with two, and rest of the two pictures you can use to frame the sentences. मी तुम्हाला दोन चित्रांवरून वाक्य बनवायची सांगते आणि उरलेल्या दोन चित्रांवरून तुम्ही बनवायचे आहेत आणि तुम्हाला बनवायचे आहेत म्हणून तुम्ही हे काळजीपूर्वक ऐका, पहा, वाचा. Listen it carefully, read the sentences. So we will choose one word. See, you can see in your book a boy. Where is boy? Yes, you're right. He is in the house. So, how to write the sentence? There is a boy in the house. He is standing inside. There is a boy in the house. Or in different way, same picture, same word, but the other way of writing the sentence, the boy is in the house. The boy is in the house. Okay? Same picture. We will choose one more word to frame the sentence and we will go to the next picture within this picture. So you can see there is a girl playing on the slide. Okay? So the girl is on the slide. On. She is sitting on the slide. So how you will frame the sentence? There is a girl on the slide. There is a girl on the slide. Same word, same picture. The girl is on the slide. On. The girl is on the slide. Same picture. Now we have choose cow. Which word will go with the cow? Where is cow? She is sitting under the tree. Where is cow? Sitting under the tree. You can ask the question where, कुठे आहे, हा प्रश्न तुम्ही विचारू शकता, म्हणजे तुम्हाला उत्तर मिळेल and it will be easier for you to frame the sentence. So write the sentence. There is a cow under the tree. The cow is resting under the tree. The cow is sitting under the tree, or there is a cow under the tree. Same picture, same word, but different sentence. The cow is under the tree. First sentence, there is a cow under the tree, and here the cow is under the tree. Same picture, but we have opted for the new thing, new word, near. So, there is a tree near the house. There is a tree near the house. Or, same word, different sentence. The tree is near the house. The tree is near the house. Now, we will go for the next word, that is in front of. How to use this word in sentence? Look at the picture. Which picture can we use to frame the sentence with this word? See, you can see the car. The car is in front of the house. The car is in front of the house. Or you can say, there is a car in front of the house. Next word will be behind. What is behind in this picture? Look carefully. And of what? Behind या शब्दासाठी आपण काय वापरू शकतो? चित्राचं नीट निरीक्षण करा. And the sentence is, there is the sun behind the mountains. There is the sun behind the mountains. Or, same word, same picture. The sun is behind the mountains. The sun is behind the mountains. So, my dear children, in today's session we have learned to frame the sentences with these words: in, on, under, near, in front of, and behind. Now I have shown you here how to frame the sentences with the help of two pictures. Now still there are two more pictures. See, you can see here on the screen or in your book. Now you have learned how to frame the sentences in last session as well as in this session. So I hope you can frame your own sentences, but only condition is that you have to use each word to frame at least minimum 3 sentences. Okay, so try doing this and I hope you can do that. I am sure you will do that. So see you in next session with the new activity. Till then, bye bye, take care.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.